Welcome, dear viewers, to our comprehensive review of the top 5 Motorola phones in 2025. In this video, we will delve into the features, performance, and value of the leading Motorola phone that have been making waves this year. We've meticulously tested and compared these models to help you make an informed decision. And here's a reason to stick around till the end. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The Moto G 2025 in Forest Grey. Let's explore its standout features. The 6.7-inch super bright display with 120 Hz refresh rate enhances your viewing experience. Paired with bass boost stereo sound, your entertainment is taken to the next level. Capture stunning photos with the 50MP quad-pixel camera system. The 16MP front camera ensures beautiful selfies, and 4x light sensitivity improves shots in low-light conditions. Powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset and up to 12GB of RAM, this phone delivers super-fast 5G performance. Multitasking and streaming are smoother than ever. Enjoy all-day use with the 5000 mAh battery. When you need a quick charge, Turbo Power technology gives you hours of power in just minutes. The Moto G 2025 boasts a stylish and durable design. The vegan leather finish and Corning Gorilla Glass 3 provide a premium look and feel, with water-repellent protection. In conclusion, that's a wrap on the Moto G 2025 review. Number 4. The Moto G 5G 2024 in Sage Green. Let's dive into its amazing features. Enjoy a fast and fluid viewing experience with the 6.6-inch 120 Hz display. Dolby Atmos provides multidimensional stereo sound, perfect for movies and games. Capture sharper photos day or night with the 50MP quad-pixel camera. The macro vision lens lets you explore up close and capture every detail beautifully. Unleash your entertainment at super-fast 5G speeds. Powered by the Snapdragon 4 Gen 1 octa-core processor, multitasking is seamless and efficient. Work and play non-stop with the 5000 mAh battery. When it's time to recharge, Turbo Power ensures you're back up and running in no time. Stand out with the Moto G 5G's premium design. The vegan leather back cover is soft to the touch and fingerprint resistant, offering both style and comfort. In conclusion, that's the Moto G 5G 2024 in a nutshell. Number 3. The renewed Motorola Moto Razr 45G 2023 in Sage Green. Let's explore its standout features. The 6.9-inch foldable AMOLED display is stunning. Enjoy FHD plus POLD quality with 2640 by 1080 resolution. The external 1.5-inch OLED display adds convenience, all packed into a compact design. Powered by Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 and 8GB RAM, this device ensures smooth multitasking. The 128GB storage gives you ample space for all your apps, photos, and videos. Capture moments beautifully with the 64MP wide and 13MP ultra-wide rear cameras. The 32MP front camera is perfect for selfies. Enjoy great photos day or night. The 4200 mAh battery keeps you powered all day. Whether you're working or playing, this battery won't let you down. Experience long-lasting performance on a single charge. Fully unlocked, this device supports T-Mobile, Verizon, Metro, and Boost. Enjoy seamless connectivity with global 4G and 5G bands. Stay connected wherever you go. In conclusion, that's a wrap on the Moto Razr 45G 2023 review. Number 2. The Moto G Stylus 5G 2024 in Caramel Latte. Let's dive into its amazing features. The new built-in stylus is a game-changer. Jot notes, edit photos, and sketch artwork effortlessly. With improved stylus and updated software, creativity and navigation have never been easier. Enjoy cinema-quality entertainment with the 6.7 POLD display and Dolby Atmos. With over 1 billion shades of color and multidimensional sound, your viewing experience is truly immersive. Capture sharp low-light photos and smoother videos with the 50MP ultra-pixel camera and OIS. The unshakable camera system ensures every shot is stunning and blur-free. Get hours of power in just minutes with 30W turbo power charging. Enjoy over a day of battery life, making sure you're always ready to work or play. Make a statement with its standout design. The Moto G Stylus 5G features a modern color, soft vegan leather finish, and ample 256GB storage plus RAM boost for exceptional performance. In conclusion, that's the Moto G Stylus 5G 2024 in a nutshell. Number 1. The stunning Motorola Edge 2024 in midnight blue. Let's see what makes this phone a game changer. First off, the 50MP camera is exceptional. Thanks to ultra-pixel technology and Google Auto Enhance, your night shots will be sharp and vibrant. Capture every moment beautifully, day or night. Next, the ultra-fast 68W turbo power charging is a lifesaver. Just 15 minutes and you're powered up for the entire day. No more waiting around for your phone to charge. The phone's design is truly premium. Symmetrically curved with vegan leather and IP68 water protection, it's stylish and durable. You'll love how it feels in your hand. With 256GB of storage and the Snapdragon 7's Gen 2 processor, performance is smooth and fast. Store all your photos and videos without worry, and enjoy lag-free multitasking. Finally, the 6.6-pole display is breathtaking. Experience your favorite shows and movies in bright, vibrant colors with infinite contrast. It's like having a cinema in your pocket. In conclusion, there you have it. The Motorola Edge 2024 is a powerhouse wrapped in elegance. Hope you found this content insightful, and if you want to see more of our content, please consider giving us a like and subscribe for more in-depth analysis. Remember, every click supports our work and helps us deliver better content. Thank you for watching. Stay curious, stay informed.